guys, it's iRaven here, and today I finally bring you system test 5 of our fire alarms. So, the first thing in the system test is a notifier NBG10 regular. Like there's nothing after the BG10. There's no key lock, so this is the plain old. And then there's a wire up there. It says NAC 1 to a system sensor P2R. You've seen this in almost all of my fire alarm videos. This will be on my system until December, which I may get a bunch of new notification devices, which should be next month. Alright, so, and I also wanted to point out that there are 4 wires going into the pole station box, but then it comes out as 1 wire. The fact is that I rewired this whole system. Yes, even this. Now, I want to show you the changes. Here goes the wires going down, 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 and they split apart, going to this new contraption I have. Now, this new contraption is a big mess of wires, really. Like, this mess of wires goes from this switch box, which acts like the power switch, to these 4 wires going to the alarms in the system. This, however, goes to the power cord, which has a little power block transforming 120 volts AC to 24 volts DC. So, this is a little NAC chooser. It's really a Radio Shack speaker control center, but it can also control power. So if you look here, that goes into amps, and then this goes to the alarm. So right now, if you want to enable the NAC, I press this, and whenever I pull it, the alarm will sound. But when the alarm's sounding and I want to silence it, however, I modified something in here where you press this second button and it will silence the Spectre alert. So it's kind of a little bit of a NAC extender and panel here, but yeah, this little contraption controls this whole system, and I'll demonstrate it to you when we test it in just a few moments. As you can see, I plugged it in earlier, and I'm going to turn on the main power switch. Alright, now there's power going through all these wires, and here's the pole station. So, we're going to begin the system test in 3, 2, 1. Alright, the alarm's sounding. Now we go down here and we press our second button. Look at that. It silences the alarm. So now we're going to reset it. Alright. And then we're going to press both of these buttons back onto the off position, and then press this one again. And that resets it. We're going to go ahead and do a key activation. Well, actually a screw activation, because there's no key on this BG10. So, 1, 2, 3. Alright, now that that's done, I did not silence the system or anything. So, yeah, that was a quick key activation. If you want to do a fire drill, we are going to just remove our screw here and let the pole station fall. Alright, now we're going to put the screw back in. And that was our system test. But there's one more thing I want to show you. This big stand. Well, I made it myself. Took a lot of tinkering and design work to make this stand, but it came out pretty okay. I used some little old door hinges. These two wood blocks to the bottom wood block, and they're literally the same. And then I used another door hinge. I couldn't really find like a bendable aluminum bracket in my workshop to mount this on. It's hanging by two of these screws, and then there's a single screw there, which holds this thing all together. So yeah, that was the big and new revamped System Test 5. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks guys for watching. See you guys later.